Okay, we're going to look at proving similar triangles. So how we go about actually proving that two triangles are similar. We have actually three different methods. So the first method we have right here is angle-angle similarity. It's probably the easiest one to look for. So when you're looking at the picture and we have two angles, right now I don't see two angles matching up. So I need to find the other angle. So if I add my values together, and let's say if I figure out what angle n is. Well, if I did 118 plus 128, we have 146. And if I did 180 minus 146, because the sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180, I get 34. Well, if angle n is 34, now I've got my two angles that are going to match. Angle n is congruent to angle O. Angle M is congruent to angle B. So now I've got my angle-angle similarity. So now we're ready to match up our pieces. So here we have triangle BOY is similar to triangle, well, angle B matched M, angle O matched N, and angle Y matched angle A. So you got to be careful when you're looking at matching up your pieces. And we say by angle, angle, similarity. Okay, let's look at the next case. This is going to be a case of side angle side. Now you don't see an angle, but I do know I have vertical angles. So I can go over and look at those. But let's look at the sides first. When you match the sides, you want to do is you want to compare ratios. So I have the triangle on the top and the triangle on the bottom. I could say the longest side on this triangle, at least with numbers I see, the longer of the two sides, matches the longer side of this one. So 15 over 10, that equals 1.5. Do the same thing with the other ones. Make sure you start with the bottom triangle over the larger one. 12 over 8, that's 1.5. So I got my two sides. Now I just need my angle. Well, we have vertical angles right here. There's my angle. So I've got side, angle, side, similarity. So triangle PET. Now I've got to match up my pieces. So when I match up my pieces, angle P well, it had the longest side, then it went to the vertical angle right here down to T. My longest side was right here, so that's going to match angle C. I've already got T matched up with itself, so A must match with E. So it's similar to triangle CAT, and this is going to be by side, angle, side, similarity. Now to show this, to be able to prove it, you need to show that you have an angle, and you have to have the two sides that are in between those angles. Right here, I've got this side and this side right here that I'm using on the triangle. That's where I'm getting my side angle side. The angle I chose is between the two sides that were proportional. Okay, let's look at side, side, side similarity. Well, what we need to do is match up all of the angles, all the sides that are corresponding. So I'm going to do small to small, large to large, and medium to medium. So let's start with large to large. My largest one on the right triangle was 18. So I'm going to start with the right side. Over 12 was the largest on this side. So 18 over 12 is 1.5. Okay, let's go smallest to smallest. 12 is the smallest on this triangle. 8 is the smallest on the other. It's 1.5. But I still have to check my last one. Medium to medium. 14 divided by 10 is 1.4. These triangles are not similar because the sides are not proportional. So I don't even write out a similarity statement. If this side was 15, then I would say the two triangles are similar. And then, if I change this, because now 15 over 10 would be 1.5. And I'd have my evidence, and then I would be able to say now that triangle BAD, so triangle BAD is similar to, well, angle B. When I look at the sides, biggest side, this is a small side to medium side, small side to medium side. So B match T. Then angle A is between small side and large side. So I go to my small side and large side. That's R. Then angle D is between the large and the medium. Large and the medium was that one.